Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to touch on Chainlink and Ripple. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. So for my Patreon member, I post a video about does hydroxychloroquine work in COVID-19 patient. Also, I did a commodity trade update as well, and you can check it out. I post a lot of video about different things. And also, if you miss Tezos, there's another token just like Tezos. So you can check it out in my Patreon group. So if you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. Also for Gemini, if you want to buy crypto, you can go to Gemini Exchange. Gemini is incorporated in New York. They have a stricter standard compared to other crypto exchange. So if you're interested, you can click the link below and open an account in Gemini. So let's talk about Chainlink quickly. So Chainlink has been going ballistic basically, and this is Ripple. So Chainlink has been going ballistic right now. At this time, it looks like, and along with a whole bunch of other tokens as well, like Ripple, across the board, everything is pumped anyway. But Chainlink has been pumping like crazy. And because of the Oracle, right? Because of the, this is basically pulling data from the legacy database to the blockchain, world. And anyway, so right now I think gold and silver has some type of correction. It's not it's as expected because I talk about that in my Patreon group. So let's talk about. I'm suspecting all this pump is from the Tether minting. So if you go back in history, in August 1st, you can see 120 million Tether has been minted at the Tether treasury, and I'm suspecting all the pump in right now in the crypto world is probably from the Tether treasury pumping. And don't forget, crypto is such a small market cap, so you don't need that much money just to move the market compared to the traditional stock market. And also you can see there's 5 million USDC also minted at the USDC treasury. And this may be legit. They probably have a US dollar to back it up. But anyway, US dollar is also printing as well. So, and the Tether, I'm not sure. Did they printing out of thin air? We don't know. And then you have 88 million Tether transferred from Big Finance to Tether Treasury, and then from Tether Treasury to Big Finance. So I'm not sure like if all this Tether is contribute to the pump of the cryptocurrency, the crypto world. And of course, you have link activity, like transfer from unknown wallet to unknown wallet. This is like 463,000, over 463,000 link token. And of course, Ripple, they unlocked the escrow at the Ripple escrow wallet. I think because of the lawsuit, they're going to drop the lawsuit, right? So I'm not sure if the founders are unlocking a whole bunch of Ripple and they're going to dump it to the market eventually. I'm not sure. And you can see like a whole bunch of Ripple transfer from the Ripple escrow wallet to Ripple. And yeah, they have, and then they locked it in escrow at Ripple. So I'm not sure all this activity, like is it related to the recent price pump? And you can see a whole bunch of Tether transfer from Tether Treasury to Binance. So anytime they transfer to exchange, basically they want to manipulate the market. And then all of a sudden on August 1st, you have another 250 million minted at the Tether Treasury as well. And you can see Tether transfer from Tether Treasury, 25 million transfer to Wahoo. And don't forget, this is 250 million they minted. And then you have a USDC 10 million minted. I'm not sure. USDC hopefully is legit. And I think it's USDC is Circle, right? So it should be legit. But Tether, I'm not sure. And then you have a Bitcoin movement. So you can see a whole bunch of Tether from the Tether Treasury transferred to Binance. So basically they're pumping the market using Tether, looks like. And then of course you have link activity, like 500,000 link Chainlink transferred from wallet to wallet. And then you can see a whole bunch of other transactions as well. For the most recent transaction, let's look at the most recent one. So 15 million transferred from Tether to unknown wallet, and then you have Chainlink also from wallet to wallet as well. And then you see over 157,000 Chainlink transfer from Binance to unknown wallet, and this is decentralized land transfer from unknown wallet to Binance. Oh, gotta be careful because we don't know what they're doing, right? And then you have Tether transfer from Tether Treasury to Binance 15 hours ago. And in terms of Chainlink, let's see, TRX, okay. So Chainlink, like 200,000 Chainlink transfer from unknown wallet to Binance. That's interesting. Are they selling it or what are they doing with that one? And then you have Tether Treasury to Binance, 60 million Tether transfer from the Treasury to Binance. And of course, you also have XTC as well. And then you have 100,000 Chainlink transfer from unknown wallet to Binance. And of course, there's a Ripple transfer from Bybit to unknown wallet. And then you have Tether transfer to Binance, like 10 million Tether transfer to Binance, 100,000 Chainlink transfer from wallet to Binance. And then you have 484,000 Chainlink transfer from unknown wallet to unknown wallet, never mind. So this is just wallet to wallet. And then you have 100,000 Chainlink transfer from unknown wallet to Binance. So maybe some of the whale want to sell some of the Chainlink cash out. That's my guess. And then you have 147,000 from Binance to unknown wallet. And then of course you have a USDC Treasury minted and USDC Treasury minted as well. And then you have 100,000 Chainlink transfer from unknown wallet to Binance. So also this is like from Binance to unknown wallet. So there's lots of activity, Chainlink as well as Tether. So I'm not sure this pump is because of the Tether pump. So pump the whole market. So I'm not sure. What do you think? Comment below. And I would love to hear from you about this. So do you think Chainlink, the pump is sustainable? It's almost 10x already, if, depending on where did you buy Chainlink. So if you buy Chainlink long time ago, you probably got it less than $1. That is more than 10x. So maybe some of the people already cash out. I'm not sure. Maybe cash out some of the position. And let me know what you think and at what price point you buy Chainlink. I bought some Chainlink back a long time ago. That was around maybe 50 cents. That was a long time ago. But remember that back then, nobody interested about Chainlink. Nobody even talked about Chainlink at the time. So I usually buy something when nobody talk about it, and when it is pumping like crazy, everybody are interested in certain token. I usually don't buy at all. When everybody interested in certain things, I will not buy it at this time. It's too much. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So let me know what you think about Chainlink. Is Chainlink is going to pump all the way? Some people talking about $40. Somebody talk about $20. I think people are talking about the next target will be $20, right? And then I'm not sure. It really is depending on the stock market as well. If the stock market do well, the crypto will do well. Right now, still there's still a correlation, and they haven't decoupling yet. And in terms of gold and silver, has been going wild, right? Has been pumping crazy. So so they're talking about the next stop for Chainlink will be $20. But when everybody talk about it, I don't think it's a good idea to get into any position at this time. Just be patient. From me, not a financial advice. You can see the volume for Chainlink is even more than Bitcoin. You can see the volume 145 million. Bitcoin BTC USD pair is only 94 million, and then Ethereum USD pair is only 60 million. So you can see everybody getting into Chainlink. So I hope you get into Chainlink when Chainlink is around maybe $3 or $2 or $1, whatnot. It doesn't matter. You can never buy at the very bottom, and you can never sell at the very top. This is the truth. But the thing is, a lot of retail investor, they try to time the market, so it's difficult. It's even a professional trader, they don't do that seriously. But anyway, let me know what you think about Chainlink and also Ripple as well. If you find this video interesting, push the give me a thumbs up and smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming video. And also comment below. I would love to hear from you. That will also help my ranking in YouTube, and I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency and commodity have inherent risks. Please use your due diligence, and you should consult with your financial planner. I'm not your financial advisor. Peace out.